Here's my honest, no-nonsense take on Aqua Tower. If water outages or rising bills stress you out, there's a simple way to take back control right at home. The goal is straightforward. Clean water on demand for your family, at home or on the go, without relying on fragile systems. More confidence, less what if. Droughts, infrastructure hiccups, boil notices. Waiting isn't a strategy. Building a portable backup is. Aqua Tower is a digital step-by-step guide. Blueprints, parts list, and follow-along videos to build your own home oasis. It's condensation made practical. Draw humid air, cool it like an AC, filter, and store the water. A proven principle, made buildable. Not a five-figure gadget and not another well. A simple, reparable build using common components, designed to run on-grid or off-grid. Clear schematics, a materials checklist, power options, maintenance routines, and first-run testing so setup feels obvious. Output varies with humidity and temperature. The guide shows how to optimize placement, airflow, and heat exchange to get the most from your climate. Follow basics, protected electricals, proper drainage, filter hygiene, and simple water checks. Freedom comes with good practice. I'm not handy. The videos are step-by-step. No space. It's compact. Power. Use mains, or explore battery/solar options covered in the guide. Fewer store runs, lighter bills, and a plan B if systems fail. You secure the most vital resource on your terms. Get it via the official link only. It's 100% digital for instant access, updates, and mobile viewing right in the workshop. Ready to build your portable home oasis? Hit the official link in the description, download Aqua Tower, gather your parts, and start the assembly this weekend.